Important, some accessories and parts are placed at the side of the styrofoam. This machine was thoroughly tested by manufacturer. It's normal to have some water residue in the water tank. How to use. Hair steaming method. 1. Wash your hair and dry it until half dry. Don't use the steam cap so the steam can penetrate your scalp and bring moisture straight to the roots and hair shaft. 2. Place the machine on a desktop, fill in water, then connect power to it. 3. Press power button, then switch steam button. Steam will come out in 5-6 minutes. Then you can start using. 4. Steam time 10 to 15 minutes. Facial steaming method. 1. Wash your face with a facial cleanser before steaming. 2. Put the steamer securely on the table, add water and connect to the main power supply. 3. Supply some water until the water comes up to the upper limit, press the steam on button. 4. Place your head into the cap carefully and adjust the height of your chair appropriately. 5. Begin facial treatment. The safety distance is 30 to 50 centimeters from the spray hole, so that your face won't get too hot. Steam time 10-15 minutes. Warm note. 1. Do not cover your head below forehead. 2. Supply some clear water, between upper limit and lower limit. 3. Normally 5 to 15 minutes treatment would be enough. 4. Turn off the steamer after usage, and pouring it out the water until water cool to avoid being scalded. 5. Please put a towel cover the shoulder to prevent water burns while performing hair care. 6. When the steamer is used for the first time, some water may remain in the water tank. This is residual water used for inspection in the factory, and we guarantee the product you receive is a whole new one. Specification, power, 350W rated voltage, AC110-120V rated frequency, 60 Hz temperature of this steamer, 40 degree item size, 866 689 563 inch Salon hair care by warm mist moisturizing, built-in UV ozone system, negatively charged oxygen, powerful hot mist can moisturize and hydrate hair, preventing hair breakage and split ends. Also, it can improve the absorption of conditioners and other treatments, reducing hair dandruff. Multifunctional 3-in-1 steamer, not only good for skin and hair care, also can humidity room and warm towels for ultimate refreshment. Larger 320 ml water tank allows for 45 minutes of working time with a silent operation, long running time. High-end design and smart shut off. Facial steamer shut off automatically if there is no water in the water supply tank, preventing any injury. No need to worry about either excessive hot water will spill causing injury or too little water damages the unit. Design into desk type. It can free your hands while using the machine, quite convenient to use. Easy and convenient to use. One press for operating is quick and handy that can save time for a steam treatment. You may substitute the spraying pole to change it from a hair steamer to a facial beauty steamer, let you enjoy a spa experience at home without going to salon. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.